before a gem is found, before a diamond is carved from rocks, or mined from the earth's crust, or discovered in the deepest oceans. It's almost impossible to see the vast landscape yet to be discovered. It's not likely one can see the potential of genuine excellence until that gem is shaped, molded, polished, and shines for all to see. Cardinals, as you step into the next chapter of your lives, remember that you are the shining gems of Southside. For the past 4 years, you have been shaped, molded, and polished, and the world is waiting to see you shine. You have become tomorrow's reality. You carry within you success, determination, and resilience. You will always be Cardinals, and you represent the excellence that will shape the world. The future is yours. Congratulations, Cardinals, on achieving your success. Always remember, once a Cardinal, always a Cardinal.